What is the most engaging question you can ask your audience? Hi, I'm Paul Barton from Phoenix Public Speaking with today's tip. You know, the show of hands question is a great way to engage your audience for several reasons. First off, there is some physical action that has to take place in raising the hand. Now, granted, it's not calisthenics, but it will snap your audience back into attention if their minds are starting to wander. Second reason, they do have to think about how to answer your question, so make sure you ask it clearly. I've seen some presenters ask the question in such a manner that the audience isn't sure whether they're an upper or a downer, so make sure your question is loud and clear. You also need to think of your question as a real-time poll, and that means you have to do two things: get the results and report them back. Look around the room. Hey, it looks like we have about half of you. That's what I might have expected. I've seen too many presenters ask for a show of hands, but move on in their presentation before they even take time to see the results. That leaves the audience feeling cheated. Hey, why did I bother putting my hand up? He doesn't really care anyway. There's one more reason why this is a great engaging question. A question engages you as the presenter with your audience, but a show of hands engages the audience with each other. Oftentimes, members will look around to see who else has a hand up, and this can help connect them. For more tips, tools, and techniques, visit our website, phoenixpublicspeaking.com. Hey, you're going places. Let us help you get to the top.